Japanese car culture is obsessed with a level of perfection that makes most showroom cars look like they were washed with a brick. The secret isn't a magic spray, it's a series of invisible habits that preserve a car's molecular integrity for decades. If you're still washing your car the Western way, you are likely accelerating its aging. Here are 15 Japanese cleaning secrets that keep 20-year-old Toyotas looking like they just rolled off the assembly line, and why your local detailer is terrified you'll find out. Secret number 15, the two-bucket method. Most people think they're cleaning their car, but they're actually performing a slow-motion demolition of the clear coat. When you use one bucket, you're dipping a dirty mitt into a slurry of grit and rubbing it back onto the paint. In Japan, this is considered automotive sacrilege. The professional standard is the two-bucket method, one for soap, one for pure rinse water. You never ever put a dirty mitt back into your soap. What the pros won't tell you is that those unavoidable swirl marks are actually 100% preventable. Detailers love your one-bucket habit because it guarantees you'll eventually need a $300 paint correction. And here's the kicker, use a grit guard, a simple $5 plastic grate at the bottom of each bucket. It creates a dead zone where dirt settles and stays so your mitt never touches the sediment. This isn't just a wash, it's the discipline of clean tools. Secret number 14, clean windshield with newspaper. We've all fought that phantom haze on a windshield that only appears when you're driving into the sun. You buy expensive microfibers and premium glass cleaners, but the streaks remain. Your detailer is waiting to charge you $80 for a glass decontamination service, but the Japanese have been using the recycling bin for years. Grab an old newspaper, crumple it up, and use it to scrub. The ink acts as a high-density, microscopic abrasive that shaves off road film that towels just slide over. And here's the kicker, that haze isn't just dirt, it's outgassing from your plastic dashboard. Those chemicals bond to the glass like glue. The unique texture of newsprint cuts through that chemical bond without leaving a single fiber behind. It's the only way to get invisible glass for $0. Secret number 13, Coca-Cola on rusty spots. The moment you see orange specks on a chrome bumper or wheel well, the rust panic sets in. You start thinking about body shop quotes and resale value, but before you visit a mechanic, visit your fridge. Pouring regular Coca-Cola on surface rust and scrubbing with an old toothbrush can save you a $400 repair bill. Why? Because Coke contains phosphoric acid, the exact same chemical in professional-grade rust converters. And here's the kicker, this only works on surface oxidation. Once the rust is gone, you've exposed raw metal that will rust again in 24 hours if you don't seal it. A tiny dab of clear coat immediately after the Coke treatment locks in the fix. Detailers count on your fear. This can of soda proves that early-stage rust is a 5-minute maintenance task, not a financial crisis. Secret number 12, the 3-zone method. Most people clean their interior like they're puttering around a room, a little dash here, a little vacuuming there. It's inefficient and actually spreads dust. Japanese detailing follows a strict top-down, back-to-front logic called the 3-zone method. Zone 1, the trunk, the storage zone. Zone 2, the rear seats, the passenger zone. Zone 3, the front cabin, the driver zone. By starting at the back and moving forward, you ensure that any dust you kick up during the process moves toward the area you haven't cleaned yet. And here's the kicker, gravity is your enemy. If you clean the front seats first, then move to the back, you're just knocking dust and crumbs back onto your clean front mats. This system ensures you never clean the same square inch twice, cutting your labor time in half. Secret number 11, baking soda carpet scrub. Have you ever noticed that car smell that lingers even after you've used a dozen air fresheners? That's because odors aren't in the air, they are living deep inside the carpet fibers. Your detailer wants to sell you a $150 ozone treatment or chemical shampoo, but the Japanese use chemistry instead of perfumes. Liberally sprinkle baking soda across your carpets and work it in with a stiff brush. Let it sit for at least an hour or overnight. Baking soda is an alkaline compound that neutralizes acidic odor molecules at a molecular level. And here's the kicker, for stubborn stains, a baking soda paste pulls the grime upward through wicking. It doesn't just mask the smell, it deletes the source. A $1 box of baking soda outperforms a $15 chemical spray every single time. Secret number 10, the 92 daily wipe down. Neglect is what makes car detailing expensive. If you wait until the car is filthy to clean it, the grime has already bonded to the surfaces via UV heat. The Japanese philosophy of Kaizen, small, continuous improvement, replaces the need for a deep clean entirely. Keep a microfiber cloth in your glove box. Every time you finish your commute, take exactly 90 seconds to wipe down the high-touch surfaces, the steering wheel, the center console, and the dash. And here's the kicker: fresh dust wipes off with zero friction. Dust that sits for 2 weeks bakes into the texture of your plastic. By catching it daily, you never need harsh chemicals or abrasive scrubbing. You're maintaining a day one look with zero effort. Detailers hate this because it makes their $150 refresh package completely irrelevant. Secret number 9, the conditioning leather trick. If your leather seats are shiny or stiff, they are already dying. Most people use all-in-one wipes, but those are basically just superficial perfumes. To save your leather, you have to understand the difference between cleaning and conditioning. Cleaning removes the dirt. Conditioning replaces the natural oils that prevent the leather from shrinking and cracking. If you don't condition, the leather becomes brittle and eventually splits. And here's the kicker: once leather cracks, it's a $300 plus restoration job. A $10 bottle of conditioner used once a quarter prevents the cracks from ever starting. Detailers rarely tell you this because they make more money on the repair than the prevention. Secret number 8, dish soap, tire, and wheel clean. Your wheels take the most abuse: hot brake dust, road tar, and salt. Most automotive wheel cleaners are either too weak or dangerously acidic. The Japanese secret: blue dish soap. Dish soap, like Dawn, is specifically designed to break down heavy grease and animal fats. It's surprisingly effective at dissolving the binders that hold brake dust to your rims. And here's the kicker: once the wheels are clean and dry, hit them with a quick coat of standard car wax. This creates a Teflon effect. Next time you wash, the brake dust won't be bonded to the metal, it will just rinse off with a hose. You've just turned a 20-minute scrub into a 20-second rinse. Secret number 7, the sticky lint roller trick. Vacuums are great for dirt, but they are surprisingly bad at removing pet hair and fine lint. The suction of a vacuum pull fibers up, but pet hair often gets hooked sideways into the carpet weave. The secret is mechanical adhesion. After vacuuming, run a sticky lint roller over your seats and mats. It pulls the fibers that the vacuum leaves behind. And here's the kicker: a travel-sized lint roller in your console is the ultimate emergency tool before a date or a meeting. Detailers charge a pet hair fee of $25 to $50 because it's a nightmare to vacuum. A $3 roller does the job better and faster. Secret number 6, apply UV protectant hack. UV rays are the slow fire of the automotive world. They turn black trim into chalky gray and make dashboards brittle. Restoration is a cover-up, protection is the cure. Apply a dedicated UV protectant to every plastic and rubber surface, inside and out, every 3 weeks. It's like putting sunscreen on your car. And here's the kicker: UV damage is cumulative. Once the plastic fades, the chemical structure has already broken down. Applying protectant before the damage happens is the only way to keep a car looking new 10 years later. Detailers love trim restoration jobs because they can charge a premium for a service that wouldn't be needed if you spent 3 minutes with a $12 bottle of protectant. Secret number 5, ceramic coat your interior. You've heard of ceramic for paint, but applying it to your interior is the ultimate lifestyle hack. You don't need a pro, you can buy interior ceramic kits yourself. When you coat your dash, door panels, and seats, you're creating a microscopic glass layer. If you spill a drink, it doesn't soak in, it sits on top in a bead. And here's the kicker: a single application lasts 1 to 3 years. It doesn't just protect against spills, it prevents dust from sticking. Your 90-second daily wipe down becomes a 10-second wipe down. It's a one-time $30 investment that effectively automates your interior maintenance. Secret number 4, apply wax with your bare hands. This sounds like a wax-on, wax-off movie trope, but it's actually a high-end detailing technique. High-quality Carnauba wax is a natural hard wax. Applying it with a cold foam pad is inefficient. By using your bare palms, your body heat melts the wax, turning it into a thin, buttery oil. This allows the wax to seep into the microscopic pores of the clear coat far more effectively than a mechanical applicator. And here's the kicker, your hands are the ultimate sensors. A foam pad hides imperfections, your palms will feel a single grain of sand or a rough patch of fallout immediately. You get a deeper, more liquid shine and you use significantly less product. It's the highest form of car care and it costs nothing extra. Secret number 3, using a steam cleaner trick. If you want to clean like a pro, you have to stop using chemicals to hide dirt and start using heat to remove it. A handheld steam cleaner is the single most important tool in a Japanese detailer's kit. Steam reaches 200+ degrees, which instantly melts grease in cup holders and kills bacteria in air vents. It cleans the areas where a brush or cloth simply can't reach. And here's the kicker, a $40 handheld steamer pays for itself in the very first use. It sanitizes the car without leaving a chemical smell behind. Most premium detailing packages are built around this one tool. Buy the tool once and you've eliminated the need for a professional interior detail forever. Secret number 2, light-colored towels only. This is a pure logic secret. Most people use dark blue or black microfiber towels. This is the biggest mistake you can make. In a high-end Japanese shop, you will only see white or light gray towels. Why? Because you need to see what you're doing. If your towel picks up a piece of grit, a dark towel hides it. You'll keep rubbing that grit into the paint, creating thousands of micro scratches. And here's the kicker, a white towel gives you instant visual feedback. The moment it gets dirty, you know to flip it. It's the canary in the coal mine for your paint. Using dark towels is like cleaning your windows with your eyes closed. Buy white towels and the mystery scratches will stop appearing. Secret number 1, the warm water cleaning method. The most powerful secret on this list is also the most ignored. Stop using the cold hose for your buckets. We use hot water for our dishes, our laundry, and our bodies. Why do we use freezing water for our cars? Japanese detailers use warm water approx. 120 degrees F because it changes the chemistry of the wash. Road grime and oils are lipid-based. Cold water makes them stiff and harder to remove. Warm water melts them, allowing the soap to lift the dirt with almost zero friction. And here's the kicker. Warm water makes every soap and chemical you buy 50% more effective. You'll use less product and get a better result. Professional detailers always work in climate-controlled shops with warm water access. They count on you using a cold hose at home because it ensures your results will never look as good as theirs. A bucket of warm water from your kitchen tap is the single biggest pro upgrade you can make, and it's completely free. How many of these Japanese secrets were you already using? Drop a comment and tell me which one changed how you think about cleaning your car. If this video just gave you the knowledge to outclean any detailer on your block, hit that subscribe button now. Your car deserves better. Now there are even more detailing secrets and money-saving car care methods nobody tells you about. Click this next video.